Hello and welcome to CBSE Fatafat by Ved Academy. This is the CBSE Class 10th Mathematics Complete Solution Series where we don't just solve problems, we build strong concepts and clear understanding of every topic. Chapter is real number. We are solving exercise 1.1. Question number 2. Question number 2 is to find the LCM and HCF of the given pairs of integers and to prove the formula, that is LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Here we are going to deal with the two parts of the question. First would be to find the LCM and HCF by prime factorization, and second part of the solution would be to prove the formula, that is LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So let us start with prime factorization of the given numbers. Numbers are 510 and 92. We'll start factorization of 510. For finding the prime factors, we are going to apply the divisibility test. As 0 is at the unit place, the given number is divisible by 2. So we'll start dividing by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. 5 is at the unit place, so the whole number is divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Add the digits. 5 plus 1 is 6. As the addition is divisible by 3, the whole number is divisible by 3. 51 divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21. 17 is a prime number, so 17 1s are 17. We'll take another number, 92. 2 is at the unit place, so the number is divisible by 2. We'll start dividing 92 with 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 6s are 12. 6 is at the unit place, so the whole number is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 23 is a prime number, so 23 1s are 23. We'll write the given numbers as the product of their prime factors. 510 is equal to 2 into 5 into 3 into 17 into 1. 92 is equal to 2 into 2 into 23. First we will find the HCF. For that we will mark the common terms. 2 and 1 are the common terms. Here HCF is equal to 2 into 1, as the common factors are 2 and 1. So HCF is equal to 2. Now we'll find the LCM. For finding LCM, we take HCF and we will multiply it with the uncommon terms. Uncommon terms are 5, 3, 17, 23 and 2. And thus LCM is equal to 2 into 5 into 3 into 17 into 2 into 23 into 1. So LCM of given number, the product of these prime factors comes as 23,460. And thus this is the least common multiple. Second part of this question is to prove that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So the formula is LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. We'll place the values. 2 multiplied by 23,460 is equal to 510 into 92, and the product is 46,920. Product of 510 into 92 is also 46,920. Both the sides equal tells us that the LCM and HCF of the given two numbers are correct.